The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, tow hitch, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.